What is this? Is that a Leaperkim box just sitting around in the middle of nowhere? Where did this come from? Did you guys see this box that's just sitting here in the parking lot, guys? What is it? Where did it come from?
Today's like the first day where I really did consider maybe I should just go back.
We are here with this big mystery box in the parking lot. We have JD dig into this and find out what this is. Thanks to Rob at Nextgen Mobility for all the customer service, for getting this here. We're gonna jump right into this. Let's get going, buddy. It's a nice little Nextgen. What are those, buttons?
Oh, they're
little patches.
They're like,
cool.
yeah, Velcro patches. That's cool.
Very cool.
I did honestly kind of want some of those.
So we got some Velcro pads. Very
Velcro.
nice. Very exciting. Looks like we've got some kind of a testing certificate here. I hear that these Leaperkim wheels are individually tested and certified. We've got the Samsung S batteries, the suspension, the main board. It's all checking out right here, guys. Check it out. Very exciting. Check out what a beautiful day it is. Ooh, what do we have here, guys?
Got the charger.
So we got the charger, which compared to my hand, it's a little bit bigger. It's not a terrible size, I'd say. Now comes the fun part. You guys ready for this? You need help?
Oh yeah. Oh, whoa. A little easier. Get the pads out. Got the pads, charging cord, more pads.
That's nice that it comes with pads. Are those the Grizzly pads?
I think so. I don't know which model.
We'll have to check in later.
Other pad.
Boom.
Boom.
Guys, I'm so excited for this.
Other pad.
These must be like glow in the dark, huh?
I think so. I think they do make some that glow in the dark.
That would be really neat, guys.
This might be easier.
All right.
Oh.
We are ready to help you get it out of here.
Other pad.
How many pads does this thing have? Check out all these pads, guys.
Another pad.
Another one? Okay, okay. There it is. Check
And then
it out.
linkages to connect the pads together.
So fresh, guys.
Alright. Hold on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We're going in opposite directions.
Okay, well, somebody just pulled the box and
Yeah,
got it.
I got the box.
Boom.
I'll go this way.
Check it out. Here we got it.
Fresh tire.
So fresh, so clean. The Leaperkim Patton S. I am peanut butter and jealous, bro. It looks beautiful, guys. Check it out. What kind of suspension is this? The 62?
62.
62 for off-roading fun and jumping. Extra loose. Oh, let's see. Want to check and see if it starts up? Like the sound of that.
Yep.
No transport mode?
No, probably because Rob, he only had 70-pound springs in stock, so he took it apart. Took out the 70-pound spring and put in a
Trolley handle here?
62-pound.
Wow, I like this trolley handle, guys. It's really nice and solid.
So he already unboxed it, took it apart, put in a different spring for me.
That's really nice. Well, jump on it, see how it runs. One little quick test drive. Nice bouncy suspension, check it out. It looks so sick, JD. First ride on the Patton. Pitch black. How does it feel?
Feels good. I think the suspension is a little bouncy, so I might have to adjust it. But it does feel good. That's cool. I'm used to the Sherman-L being like up here.
It's probably messing with your mind a little bit.
And no pads.
You got this. Awesome, guys. Well, this was our unboxing video of the Leaperkim Patton S. Look at it. Really, really sick. So we got the wheel here with a 62-pound suspension. Got the manual with some Velcro pads. Got the power pads, Velcro pads right here, and the charger. So thanks for watching.